Hey folks, welcome to Opal's NZ. Today we have a nice, very nice piece of Kubapedi crystal. So let's take a closer look. So today's piece is a really nice piece. It's about 14 carats and it's very clear, transparent crystal from Kubapedi. I would hazard a guess to say that this is possibly a fragment of shell fossil, and it's actually very similar to another piece I cut in another video, in the quite a long video I did. I think it's number 4, and this is the stone that came out of it. If you recall this stone, 5.5 carats of beautiful, almost transparent crystal, and this is its brother basically. I think it's going to cut something very similar. So the rough was a $500 piece for this one, and it was slightly heavier at 14.5 carats. I think this one's actually, it's under 14, it's 13.7 I think. So we shall see. There's a bit more sand in this piece, so it was a bit cheaper. We shall see what we can get out of it. Okie dokie, so let's have a quick look with the torch, and you can see there's some sand up in this corner here, so we're going to lose it's on this side here, and it goes in a little way, so we're probably, yeah, there you go, you can really see it there, that big blob there goes in quite a way, so we'll probably lose most of that tip, and yeah, so we might not get quite as big a gem as we got out of the other piece, its brother, but I feel like this is a little bit more transparent, so hopefully it'll be nicer. So let's get the wheels fired up and go on. That colour's looking very nice indeed. We've still got some sand in here to get out. Almost got it. I think I'm going to go for a drop around about there. It's going to be a ridiculously high dome. And there we have it. There's our drop. Pretty good. Ready for the dump stick. I think the colour looks better on the back. Sometimes it's like that when it's flat. It's a brighter flash, but as I take that down when I polish it, hopefully it'll get a bit brighter. Just a quick comparison. Pretty similar. This is not the same shape though. So this has more orange, but I think this will pop more once I get it polished. Got the orange in there. Very, very similar pieces. Almost make them into a pair, a giant pair of earrings. And there we have it, folks. And what a beauty, eh? Beautiful 3D color on color. Yeah, very, very happy with that. I haven't weighed it yet. I haven't polished the back yet, but I will do that. So it will come down a little bit in weight, but we'll give it a weigh. And its brother, it's not quite as nice as this one, although maybe it'll come a bit nicer once it's polished on both sides. But yeah, this one seems to be a little brighter, a little bit more orange in it, although this one seems to be more transparent, fractionally more transparent, so it probably balances out. So let's weigh it up. 5.56 carats. So that's 5.56. The other one, remind me. Oh, no way. 5.56. Okay. So these are identical in weight. Not identical in shape, though, which is interesting. So there you go. Opal sisters from Cooper Pedy. Wow. So yeah, nice colour. Guess what sort of patterns is that? Just, I guess, floral, a bit of moss, a little bit of almost like chaff. Just turn that light up a bit. There we go. Oh, that's a bit better. Yeah, that brings out the colour. So yeah, floral and some rolling flash. Very happy. Cannot complain. So from a $400 rough piece, 5.5 carat gem is awesome, and the rough weight was 13.4 carats. So that's a very good yield. It's coming up to 35-40% sort of mark, which is excellent. But you'd expect that from that sort of cut skin to skin crystal piece like it was. It's a shame it is not getting that orange on the face, but looks like it's just on that one side there. The back will come up nice as well, possibly even nicer than the front. But yeah, that's it. That's its sister piece. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and we will see you next week. Have an awesome weekend.